welcome to our channel, Love Serve Daily. My name's Aria.
My name is Amaya.
Today we're going to show you how to make s'mores at home. Because even if we can't go camping,
if we can't go camping, we can just make s'mores at home.
let's get started. We're gonna make three. Two are gonna be in the oven and one is gonna be in the microwave. The ingredients will be graham crackers, Hershey chocolate, and marshmallows. Step 1: set your oven on broil mode. Marie, you wanna do that? Broil. And start. Step 2: grab an oven-proof plate. Step 3: assemble the crackers.
There, perfect. I did it. December, mamas. I like it. It's my time
Step 4: put them in the oven.
You need to do both at the same time. Do it? Boy, Mama, does Gia put both in that one?
Okay. In the meantime, let me show you how to do that in the microwave. So, put it for 10 seconds.
I forgot to do that.
I'm gonna watch it. For 10 seconds.
I'm watching it. Good. I'm watching
In the meantime, let's talk about what our favorite part of camping is.
it. A brownish.
My favorite part.
A brownish.
Wait. Let's give it one minute. My favorite part of camping is
A brownish.
roasting the marshmallows. Let's say that.
Brownish.
My favorite part of camping is roasting the marshmallows. What's yours favorite, Amara?
Roasting the marshmallows. Camping under the stars.
What's your favorite? Our marshmallows are starting to brown. Let's pull it out. But first, let's complete this sandwich.
What? That's yup.
Okay then.
Who's the oven mitten? Who's the oven mitten? She's waiting too much time to get hot. You need 2 hands. I'm under.
Let's complete our sandwich.
What was that? Oh. Mine is alright then.
It's really hot, so be careful, but enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and tell us in the comments below what's your favorite part of camping. Bye!
Bye.